How to add subdomain on GoDaddy 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you can allow yourself to add a subdomain on GoDaddy. Now, adding a subdomain is pretty simple because what you're going to do is all you're going to do is you're going to add an extra extension to your domain. So if you have a domain name already, it's going to be pretty simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into, either going to GoDaddy guides and they're going to guide you, or you can come here. You're going to go into my products. And once you come into my products, you're going to go to the domain that you have, which is going to appear in my products, obviously. And once you go with the domain that you already have, under it is going to be the option to add subdomains, and you can easily add your subdomains into that option. And that is how you're going to allow yourself to add different subdomains into your design in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And obviously make sure to add subdomains by watching this guide video, because they teach you the proper TTL and SSL code that you need to add. So yeah, just make sure to watch this before adding that. And yeah, that should work pretty easily, pretty simply for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.